No, get out!
That's mean. You shouldn't kill.
I would rape you, so get out!
The dog's like, hey, you're such a retard. Press the button.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
I think I'm dying.
I'm just gonna go see my phone.
Your phone's outside, I threw it.
No, it's not, you
I
dumbass.
broke it.
I'm not that drunk. No.
You sure about that?
I'm sure. I'm
gonna call your boyfriend and tell him to take you home. Fuck, get it, like leave, like just go
What's
down.
he gonna do? Put me on his longboard and ride away?
I'm gonna go get some more Sourpuss, take the camera, and record shit. Keep it level.
You're cleaning up everything tomorrow because you wrecked everything now.
I didn't touch everything yet.
I love party.
You would Amanda, stop! Hey Amanda, I'm gonna call your mom.
No, okay, don't call me mom. She'll never let me live again.
David, get the fuck out of my house. Like, actually, you're so retarded.
Here you go.
Okay.
Never again, Kaylee. Bye.